Right, so what I've done is that I've placed a little buy stop at 2010. So let's just take a screenshot so I can show you why. So you can see here that there is a structure over there, and the structure ends at the fractal, according to Bill Williams. So what I've done is that I've placed a buy stop at 2010, which is just above the fractal. So I want this trend to be totally broken, and then I'll enter into that buy. So when will I exit my buys? When the price spikes all the way up to the 200 moving average. So when the price is at the 200 moving average, or about 5 or 10 pips below, would have made enough money. I'll close out all my buy trades, and then I'll wait for the next trend, and then I'll make a decision then.